Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, Lex. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Anuj. Did you recognize me or not?
I do. I do. I'm just not sure. When was the last time we spoke? Okay.
Last time,
It's
it's
been a
our
while.
conversation, and you didn't recognize me.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. Here it says we spoke on the 2nd of February last time.
I think so. Maybe in March too.
March. Okay. I'm so sorry. You seem familiar, but I'm sorry. I
It's
remember
okay.
your name. How are you doing, Anuj?
I'm good. I'm good. And how is Lex?
Good. I'm good too. I'm a bit tired, but I'm very good. Thank you for asking.
What happened?
What has been happening the past few months? It's been like 3 months that we last spoke. Let me
Mm-hmm.
think. Nothing too crazy. I've been working a lot. I've traveled a little bit. I went to Paris. I don't know if I
Oh,
told you
okay.
last time. I went to another country. I went to Cyprus as well. I had an exhibition, a solo show. So yeah, I've just been working hard, and right now I'm in Athens.
Where right now?
In Athens.
Oh, Athens.
Yes, I'm in Athens.
Okay.
What
Athens,
about
I
you?
think, capital of
Yeah,
Greece.
exactly. Athens is the capital of Greece. Exactly. Yes.
Cool, cool.
And what about you?
And kind of same with me. I've also changed my location. That time we
Okay.
talked from my state. I was in the north,
Hmm.
and right now in the south of India. The state called
Okay.
Karnataka. Yes, actually I'm working here right now.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. What was I gonna say? Um,
And last
uh,
time you were in Turkey, right?
Turkey?
Maybe I'm wrong.
No.
No, sorry. Or
Yeah,
where?
no, I wasn't in Turkey.
I think you were in Turkey. Maybe. Maybe I'm
Maybe in
wrong.
Turkey. No, I wasn't. I've never been to Turkey actually.
Oh, so where? Australia.
Yes. No, so I am from Australia, but I wasn't in Australia. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay, just
remind
be
me,
happy wherever you live.
what's that?
I said,
Mhm.
just be happy and cool wherever you live.
That is very true. I will try and do that. I will try and do that for sure.
Yes.
What was I gonna say?
So tell me that do you like traveling as you
I
have been
do.
to several places?
I do. I do. I do. Yeah. I do like traveling. I don't like traveling like very far. I like traveling like nearby. I don't like planes.
Okay, so you like nearby places.
Yeah, I don't really like planes. Yeah, unfortunately.
It
Yeah,
means you like hiking rather than going far away.
I do. I do. I do. I do. I kind of like being how do you call it? I kind of like just being like traveling like 3 hours. I don't like really long hour flights.
Yes, so it's like short distance flights,
Yeah,
right?
I like short distance. Yeah, like small distance flight. What about you?
And for me, as I haven't been for a long trip, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so long distance flight, I didn't take that before. I mean, so far, so far.
Okay.
So I've just traveled within my country, and
Mm-hmm.
actually, my country is a large country in itself, the
Of course.
seventh
Mm-hmm.
longest country by area in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, and
Okay.
but to be honest with you, I like train journey. It's
You like
awesome.
train journey.
Yes,
I like train journeys. Yes, I like train journeys
yes.
as well.
Because when you
Um,
take flight, I have
mhm,
felt in flight it's very boring.
mhm.
Very boring. Why? Because
Dude,
yes, because
wow.
you can feel the speed, how
You
speed
can't
you are.
feel the speed.
The speed, yes. What's your motion? You can feel. It's like zero speed,
Okay.
and you don't know by how speed you are going. Okay, because there's
Mm-hmm.
no friction. The plane is going in the empty, right? There's nothing
Yeah.
up, down, right, left, nothing. So no friction. You can
Mm-hmm.
feel. You can feel the speed. And other thing, if you look at out of your window, you can't see anything close, right? There's nothing nearby, so that you can measure your speed, how speed you are,
Yeah,
right?
that's true. Okay. Yeah, I get
And
that. Are you not afraid of planes?
now,
Okay, good. Because I'm a bit scared of planes.
yeah, so basically, majorly at the major point, I would say that there's two reasons. Okay,
Mm.
so if you are afraid of, maybe you are afraid of height or plane
Yeah,
by birth. Okay, naturally, it sometimes it
yeah,
comes naturally.
yeah,
Okay,
that is
and
true.
and
Yeah.
sometimes, and it happens with some people. Sometimes when they think of too much of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yes. So in your case, it's naturally.
Of course, of course. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, I think it is kind of natural to be scared of
Yeah,
to
it
be scared
happens.
of. Yeah, I think it's
A
kind of
lot
normal.
of a lot
Yeah.
of people, they are scared of height naturally, in
Mm-hmm.
general,
Yeah,
naturally.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
But what about the pilot who flies the plane? What is
Mm-hmm.
happening, Lex? I can hear the sound.
It's just my phone is connected to, and unfortunately, I'm getting the messages on my phone
Okay.
as on my computer. Um, what was I gonna say? Do you think that do you think that uh yeah, for me actually, like, I've been kind of afraid of traveling sometimes in general. Sometimes I'm scared of trains, like, even though, like, I never was scared of trains, there was a huge, like, train accident that happened here in Greece like a few months ago.
Oh, okay.
So, like, it's been something that's been worrying me a lot, actually, because I travel a lot from, like, Athens to my other city. So yeah, it's